We're live. We're live with Gracie Beavers. You gonna draw for us, Gracie? What you gonna draw?
No.
What you gonna draw? How about I make a little shape? Now you turn it into something.
Wait, I have an idea.
Where's the cap? What did you do with the cap?
How do you make a squiggly bird? I really want to make one of those again.
A what?
A squiggly bird?
Oh yeah, you can do that. Just add a beak and eye and some feet and tail. Nice. Want to do another one?
No. Well, I guess so. I don't even know what that was.
Oh, that's great, squiggly bird. Oh, that's a great one.
Well, that already has a tail.
Yeah, it already has a tail.
I don't even know.
We'll make another one?
You do it now.
Whoop.
Whee!
Okay, I'll make one. Okay, video.
Shout out to Prime because this is like the best drink ever.